Alright, add a cylinder. Move this face on Z. Delete this face. Add a bevel. Scroll the middle mouse button. Right click, shade auto smooth. Select this face. Go to selection. Checker, deselect. Extrude the face. Select all this face like that. Now delete it. Add a solidify. Level 2. And last for modeling, just add a solidify and we're good to go. Now let's go to render view, add a new material, import your image texture, connect it to the base color, scale it down and move it right here. Select this face and press Ctrl number pad plus. Now press U, unwrap, scale it up. Now let's go to roughness, add a little bit of metallic and we're good to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.